Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids cards name: red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use red color. O-N-E-1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T-W-O-2. 3. T-H-R-W-3. Kids night 4 and use yellow color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids again use yellow color and draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids night 6 and use blue color. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids night 9 and use black color. N-I-N E9. 10. T-E-N 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12. Kids again use green color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. Kids night 14. The numbers of 14 and use white color. Kids again use white color and draw 15. The last numbers of 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.